welcome to Makeup and Fashion Diaries. So today I'm shooting this super interesting video, and this has been one of most requested videos on my channel. Today I'm going to share my hair care routine, and also I'll talk everything about my color, my haircut. So if you guys want to know my hair care routine, then keep on watching, and also don't forget to subscribe and give it a big thumbs up. I will see you in my next video. Bye! So firstly I'm going to talk about my haircut, and as you can see I have really long hair and I always loved my long hair, so I never go for a short length. See, I don't cut my hair too regularly because I like them to grow, and then when it's too much then I get it cut, but I surely enjoy some layers in my hair. So what I do is I ask my hairstylist to give me just the face framing, and he cuts my hair just the crown area of this length, as you can see. So this is all short from here and this is all long. So this is my haircut, and I always just keep doing this haircut again and again because I love this style on me. I always prefer my side fringes because I think this looks perfect on me. Okay, so moving on to my hair color. So I've colored my hair a lot of times, but last time I colored my hair was I think 1 year back, and I got it from Indore. There's this very good salon in Indore which is called Style Nation. So I went there and I asked them for a very soft ombre look, and this is what my hair looks now. As you can see, my color has come down till here, and I love it this way. It looks more natural and it really looks nice. The colors she used were all shades of browns, very soft browns and dark brown. I really don't know how to tell you the exact number of the color, it's very difficult, but surely next time whenever I get my hair done, I'll surely make sure that I note all the numbers down and I'll be able to tell you then. So yeah, she used all the brown tones, and this is what my color looks. I'll start with how many times a week I wash my hair. So generally I wash my hair every second day or every third day, that depends on how I'm feeling. Generally I use random shampoos, Dove, Tresemme, and that beer shampoo. So shampoo is basically what I keep changing, but my conditioner is always the same. So you get this spa tub which is by L'Oreal. This is Deep Nourishing Cream Bath with water lily for dry hair, and this is basically a hair spa which whenever you go to a salon, you use it with some activator and then they give you a nice spa and they keep it for one and a half hour and then they wash it. But I use it as a conditioner, and I've been using this as a conditioner I think since really long now. This is my go-to conditioner. I always use this. Even if I'm traveling, I'll put it in some travel size bottle and then I use it. I wanted to try some other hair mask. So this is by Wella, and I also have the shampoo. On the regular basis I use random shampoos and my L'Oreal Spa. So whenever I feel that I need some extra nourishment or I am going for a party, so I use these two. This is the shampoo and this is the conditioner. Again, this is a hair mask, but I usually use it as a conditioner. And also recently I've started using this L'Oreal Smooth Intense Instant Smoothing Serum. You apply this on your wet hair, and it's really easy to detangle, and I just love using this. So yeah, these are the products I use regularly. And now moving on to my oiling part. So I am a lazy bum when it comes to oiling because I have got really long hair and it's really hard to get rid of that oil. So I usually oil my hair when I feel they're too dry. I do it once in every 15 days. I use this Kesh Kranti hair oil by Patanjali, and as this is really thick, so I use my virgin coconut oil. I mix these two and nicely massage into my hair, and I keep it for like good 2-3 hours, and then I wash it, and my hair feels so nice and nourished and I love it. But the only sad part is that I have to literally wash my hair for like 2 to 3 times. Then only I can get rid of the oil in my hair because I've told you I've got really long hair. And yeah, I think that's it. This is my hair care routine, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any queries, you can comment below and I'll surely answer all the questions. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and give it a big thumbs up. I will see you in my next video. Bye.